Did you know that over 45% of engine failures are linked to simple oil change mistakes that most drivers don't even realize they're making? That's right. Not because of bad engines or cheap oil, but because of small oversights that silently cause massive damage over time. In this video, we are going to uncover 11 oil change mistakes that destroy your engine. These mistakes don't just shorten your oil's life. They grind down your engine from the inside, clog vital passages, and can cost thousands to repair. Let's get started.
Mistake number 11. Using the wrong type of oil. Choosing the right oil for your engine is not just a preference. It's critical for your car's survival. Every engine is designed with a specific oil viscosity, such as 0W20 or 5W30. These numbers describe how thick or thin the oil is in hot and cold conditions. Using oil that's too thick can prevent proper flow during cold starts, starving your engine of lubrication. On the other hand, oil that's too thin can lose its protective film at high temperatures, leaving metal parts grinding against each other. Using the wrong oil can lead to noisy valves, poor fuel economy. That's why checking your owner's manual before pouring oil into your engine is not optional. It's essential. Mistake number 10. Ignoring the oil change interval. Many drivers push their oil change intervals far beyond the recommended mileage, thinking that modern synthetic oils can last forever. While it's true that synthetic oil is more durable, it doesn't make your engine invincible. Oil gradually breaks down due to heat, friction, and contamination. Once that happens, the oil loses its ability to clean, cool, and lubricate effectively. The result is sludge buildup, worn piston rings, sticky valves, and poor performance. Even if your car seems fine, you could be slowly damaging your engine from the inside out. Always follow your manufacturer's schedule or change the oil more often if you drive in harsh conditions like extreme heat, short trips, or stop-and-go traffic. Remember, old oil doesn't just get dirty, it becomes toxic for your engine. Mistake number 9. Overfilling the engine. Many drivers think more oil means more protection. But that's one of the most expensive myths in car maintenance. When you overfill your engine, the crankshaft dips into the excess oil and starts whipping it like a blender. This aerates the oil, creating tiny air bubbles, and air doesn't lubricate metal parts. That bubbly oil loses pressure, thins out under heat, and fails to protect your bearings, camshafts, and piston rings. The result? Rod bearing wear, crankshaft scoring, and in severe cases, complete engine seizure. The cost to fix a seized engine ranges between $4,000 and $10,000 depending on the car. Always use a dipstick to verify the level after filling. It should be right at the full line, not a drop above. Mistake number 8. Forgetting to replace the oil filter. This one might sound simple, but it's one of the deadliest mistakes people make. Some DIYers drain the old oil, pour new oil in, and think they're done. But forget the filter entirely. When you reuse it, all those contaminants mix right back into your fresh oil, instantly turning it dirty. Over time, this causes premature wear on lifters, pistons, and bearings. Every oil change should always include a fresh filter. Think of it as a new set of lungs for your engine. Clean oil can't protect anything if it has to pass through a filthy filter. Mistake number 7. Not tightening the drain plug properly. The drain plug might look like a small, insignificant bolt, but it holds back your engine's lifeblood. If you don't tighten it correctly, one of two disasters happens. Too loose, and it leaks. Too tight, and it strips the threads or cracks the oil pan. Both are expensive nightmares. A loose plug can slowly drip oil for days, lowering your oil level until the engine starves and overheats. On the other hand, an over-tightened plug can cause the threads in the aluminum oil pan to fail, meaning you'll need a full replacement that costs $400 to $1,000. That's a $6,000+ repair bill in a matter of moments. The solution is simple. Always hand tighten first, Then use a torque wrench to the manufacturer's exact specification. That one careful step separates a successful oil change from a catastrophic failure. Mistake number 6. Pouring oil into a dirty funnel. This one sounds silly, but it happens all the time. That funnel you used to top off your coolant last month still has a few drops of old fluid or dust in it. When you use it again for an oil change, those contaminants mix directly with your fresh oil, can ruin oil chemistry and accelerate wear. Over time, that contamination can cause sludge formation and sensor damage. A new oil funnel costs $5, but the long-term cost of contamination could reach $2,000 or more in engine cleaning and repair. Always clean or replace your funnel before every oil fill. Mistake number 5. Forgetting to lubricate the filter gasket. It might seem like a tiny step, but skipping it can cause a major mess. When you install a dry oil filter gasket, it can stick, twist, or even tear as you tighten it. This creates leaks or pressure loss once the engine starts running. In severe cases, the filter can loosen itself over time, dumping all your oil on the road in seconds. Always apply a light film of fresh oil to the rubber gasket before installing the filter. This ensures a smooth, tight seal and makes it easier to remove next time. A blown-out gasket can lead to engine failure, costing upwards of $4,000 to $6,000, all because of a mistake that takes 2 seconds to prevent. Mistake number 4. Not warming the engine. Before draining, this might seem like a small detail, but skipping it can leave half the old oil trapped inside your engine. When oil is cold, it thickens and sticks to metal surfaces, refusing to drain out completely. That leftover oil mixes with the fresh one, instantly contaminating it and cutting its life in half. By simply running your engine for 5 to 10 minutes before draining, you allow the oil to warm, thin out, and carry away debris, carbon, and microscopic metal shavings. Drivers who skip this step often notice dark oil right after changing it, a clear sign it wasn't fully flushed. Over time, sludge buildup can clog oil passages, starve your bearings of lubrication, and even cause the engine to seize, leading to repairs that can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $6,000. A few minutes of idling before an oil change can literally save your engine's life. Mistake number 3. Using additives without knowing what they do. Oil additives sound like miracle products. They promise smoother running, reduced wear, and better fuel economy. But here's the truth. Using the wrong additive is like playing chemistry with your engine. Some additives thicken your oil. That chemical imbalance can cause sludge formation, foaming, and corrosion inside critical parts, like the camshaft and oil pump. Want to know the result? You might save $10 on a bottle today and end up paying $1,000 to $3,000 in repairs later. Before you pour any additive, always check your owner's manual, because the only thing more expensive than bad oil is good oil ruined by the wrong chemicals. Mistake number 2. Not checking for leaks. After an oil change, most people simply start the engine and drive off, a mistake that can be disastrous. Sometimes the oil drain plug isn't tightened properly, or the rubber gasket around the filter gets pinched during installation. These small issues can cause slow leaks that are almost invisible at first. Over time, you'll lose oil without noticing it until your low oil pressure light suddenly comes on. And by then, the damage may already be done. The smart move is to always check for leaks right after changing the oil. Let the engine idle for a few minutes, then inspect the filter and drain plug area for any fresh oil spots. A simple 1-minute check can save your engine from a major breakdown. Mistake number 1. Neglecting to check oil after the first drive. Even after a perfect oil change, you should always recheck your oil after the first drive. As the oil circulates, it fills the new filter and passages, sometimes lowering the oil level slightly. If you don't top it off, Your engine may end up running slightly underfilled. Not enough to trigger a warning light, but enough to increase wear. This small oversight adds up over time and can shorten your engine's life dramatically. Always park, wait a few minutes, and check your dipstick again after your first drive. It takes 1 minute and could save you thousands in the long run. That's all for this video. Every one of these mistakes might seem small, but together, they're responsible for millions of ruined engines every year. What makes them dangerous is how quiet they are. You won't hear a bang or see smoke until it's too late. So treat every oil change like surgery. See you in the next video.